Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tip and tricks or tutorial on how to change your status bar. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to setting real quick. You want to go to menu and you go to your setting right here. And you want to go to display, scroll down to navigation bar right here. So as you see on the button order, you can change a different order right here by clicking this. So right now your home button's right in the middle, the back button's on the right, and then your motor tags is on the left hand side, or recent app. And then we click on the bottom right here. It's just swap, okay? And in case you guys don't want to see the buttons on the screen, you could hide those buttons, okay? Right now it shows navigation buttons, and if you don't want to see those three buttons right there, click on the full screen gesture. All right, as you see, all the buttons are hidden. So I'm going to show you guys real quick. Go back. So if you want to go to home button, normally you press here, right? But instead of pressing the middle one, you had to swipe it up. So now you're at the home screen. So it's kind of tricky. You gotta learn it. And for example, if I open, let's see, if I open music, and then I want to go back, the right hand side is the back button. You gotta swipe up, so now it's going back. So for example, if I open another app, Chrome, so if I swipe back like that, okay? And if I want to check on the recent app that's open, swipe this one on the left hand side. So as you can see, this is all my recent app that was open. So as you can see, all the icons are just like a line, but you gotta swipe up instead of touching it, which is I think it's a pretty good design. So imagine you are watching a YouTube video. So there's no button right there, but it is still hidden. So you can swipe up in the middle section. So now I'm going back home. So if I want to go back to my YouTube, swipe it on this bar right here. So this is a recent app that's open. I could go back to whatever app that I was in. Okay. And just push play. So if you want to enjoy your full screen, you just need to pinch zoom. So when you open a new video, it's going to be regular size again. When you open a new video on YouTube, it's going to be regular size. And when you play it, you need to pinch to zoom in again, okay? In order to enjoy your full screen each time. So hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. And please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. Hopefully this will help you guys out and enjoy your full screen instead of having those icons, the navigation bars on the bottom to obstruct your view. Instead of the bar, you just had these lines, the thin white lines. Okay, so in case you could also do it from the drop down menu. So you gotta look for navigation bar. So in case you don't see the navigation bar when it comes stock like this, you gotta press that 3 buttons right there on the right hand side, and you're gonna click on button order. You see the navigation bar right there, and then now you can drag it down to add it, and press done. So you can go there and check it out. As you can see, it shows a full screen gesture right now because we just changed it. So right here, you can toggle back and forth instead of going to setting, display. So this is like a shortcut. So if you want to put the navigation button back, just hit that selection, and you got to be sure to hit done. All right, so as you can see, it is lit up in blue. So now the navigation bar is right here again. Also, I don't know why it's the navigation, the brightness right there as well. So I'm going to show you guys real quick. If you have a navigation button that is on, and if you are watching a YouTube video, so you're kind of wondering where's all the buttons, right? Why is it not there when you have a navigation button turned on? All you need to do is just swipe it to your left, and as you see all the buttons right there. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.